So hello guys, what's up? I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome back to my channel once more, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make or how to draw a beautiful peacock with the help of two-digit number that is called 64. So stay tuned for the full video, and without wasting any time, let's get started. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you all have liked this video and this kind of new technique how to draw the beautiful peacock. So I hope you all will try this in your home. Definitely try it. It's very easy. I have showed you how to draw it. So I think you all have liked it. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, share to your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more stuff like this and more interesting stuff, more DIYs, more drawings in this channel. So keep supporting, keep loving, and till then, be safe, take care, see you, have a good day, see you in the next video. But do good, be good, keep doing DIYs. So